Hi guys, I welcome you all to another part of Forex Masterclass. In this video, I'll be explaining to you about the market structure. I want you guys to be aware now that we are now on the smart money concept. I'll be tutoring you guys about how the smart money concept works. Now, you need to understand how the market moves for you to know the direction and where you are going to look out for your trades. Either you are going to buy or you are going to look for sell. So, while explaining in the retail concept, I told you guys the market form highs and low. Higher high, while in an uptrend, it forms higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. But here, we are going to focus on the break of structure. That is, when the market is going in an upward trend, you see something like this. So you see something like this. So then another one like this. Here the market has broke structure. So here we have the break of structure. Then if it keep moving like this, we have another break of structure. Another break of structure. So how do the market change trend? You can see something like this. This is the last low. Here is the break of structure. Here is another break of structure. Now what happens when the price breaks this low? When it breaks below this low, as you can see here now, what I'm trying to explain here is the break of structure and the change of character. So we need to focus on that here so that you understand how the market moves. And also when the market tries to change direction, you as well know the market is trying to change direction. So can you see? But now when the price has broke below this, this is what we call change of character. Why? Because initially you can see here the price did not break below the former low. It does not break below the former low, it does not break. But here what happened? It breaks this low. So here you see a change of character. Break of structure, break of structure, and here will be the change of character. That is a sign that the market is about changing trend. Then what do you expect after this? You can see something like this. So here now, that means this is the strong low, strong low. It is trying to transfer the strong high to this point. And here now, while the price broke another low again, it is now confirmed break of structure. Now break of structure to the to the downside. That means the trend is changing from an uptrend to a downtrend. So you see another break of structure here. Don't forget the difference between the break of structure and change of character. The first break of structure is the change of character. So here now, this is a break of structure. Why? Because it is breaking the high, moving in an uptrend, but now it breaks the low. You don't call it directly break of structure. Instead, you call it change of character. It is not confirmed break of structure until it breaks the second structure. Because you might see the market forming change of character and it will just break it here and again breaks another high. So this is another break of structure. Then this becomes the strong high. And you see another move like this. Don't forget, guys, don't forget, I'm I'm only trying to explain to you how the market change trend. Majorly the break of structure and the change of character. There are many tricks the market can still play around here even before getting to the point of interest, which is the strong high or the strong low. There are many tricks, but I don't want to rush you guys. I want you guys to understand it steady. I want you guys to understand it steadily. I don't want to rush you so that you are going to get every bit of it clear. So I'll be focusing more on the break of structure and change of character. In our next video, I can elaborate on it, some tricks the market play before getting to the break of structure and how they trick traders out. So this is the strong high. So it's going to continue like that. And whenever you see it break this again, that's another what? Change of character. And you can see it moving like this again. Break of structure, break of structure. So it is breaking into the downside, that's break of structure. So as soon as it breaks it to the upside again, this is now change of character again. Okay, for instance now, the market broke this high and change character, it can also break it again. Don't be confused. This is what? Another change of character. So until it breaks it the second time, you can now confirm it as the break of structure. So this can now be confirmed as the break of what? Break of structure. And this is the strong high where you can look out to sell. Hope this is clear now. Can you see from here now we have the break of structure. This is a strong low. It retested it, break of structure, the strong low, break of structure. Now uh this low now failed. It was broken and it's now become the change of character. This is the high that breaks the low, now turn to the strong high. So this is the strong high now. You look to sell here. And what happened here again? Now confirmed break of structure to the downside. Then this is the strong high. It retested it. Then it breaks structure again. Tested it, break structure. It was supposed to retest this one and break structure again, but what happened? It broke this high. Now this is another change of character. Why? Because initially it was moving to the downside and now it breaks it to the upside. Now this is change of character. So had been this price now retested this low again and breaks this, what is going to happen here? Here we are going to have the break of structure, but instead the price breaks it again. Now we are having another change of character. So you wait until you have the second break before you can term it as the break of structure. And what happened? It's retested this again and breaks this. Now we are having another break of structure. So that is how it's going to continue. Either you are going in an uptrend or you are moving in a downtrend. That is how it is going to continue. That is how you are going to map your structure. So you know where to take your buy or when to take your sell. Now I would like to go into the chart now so I can show you guys in the charts and you can understand very better. So this is the 1 hour chart. Let's try to switch to the 30 minutes so that we can see enough of structure. Okay guys, now let's start the structure from here. As you can see here, okay, initially the price broke this, which is now a break of structure. I want you guys to note, for a break of structure, you should be sure the price breaks, the candle breaks the last candle. Like you mark from the wick, you mark out your lines, and you need to be sure the candle breaks the wick before you can confirm it as the break of structure. And as you can see now, the candle, this last candle here, it closes below your line. After marking out the line, the candle closes below. And being the candle did not close below, or the wick closes below it, it is not a valid break of structure. But here, as you can see now, this is a valid break of structure. Why? Because this red candle, it closes below the, the line. So this is a valid break of structure. Then what do you expect? The market is supposed to sell back from this point. It's supposed to give you something like this and continue breaking the structure. But instead, what happened? This high was broken again. Okay, this was not breaking, but as you can see, this is a change of character. For a change of character, it doesn't mean either the wick breaks it or the candle breaks it. Either of the above, either of the both is a valid change of character. But for the break of structure, note that the candle must break the wick. The candle must break a wick. But for a change of character, it's not necessary. Either the wick breaks it or the candle breaks it, it's a valid change of character. Now what do you see after that? It came here to retested some blocks here and it keeps breaking structure. Now this is a break of structure now. Here we are having break of structure. Here we are having change of character now. Here is now break of structure. Here's another what? Another break of structure. Here's another what? Another break of structure. And what happened here? Here is now change of character. Then what happened again? Now I told you after a change of character, except until you see another structure structure break, you can confirm it as now break of structure. But instead, the price came back to break this again. Now it is still change of character. Now looking at this here, you can see a break of structure. With this change of character, we should expect the price to come down here and retest it to break it. But instead, it was forming a minor structure. In case, okay, lest I forget, I need to explain to you guys, we have the minor structure and the major structure. We have the minor structure and the major structure. So you see all these lines, all this structure, the break of structure, these are the major structure. But inside this major structure, you will still see something like this. Don't be confused, guys. You see all these things, all these, let me change the color so that you can understand. You see all these ones are the minor structure. And how can you see the minor structure? That is if you go to a smaller time frame. For example, now we are using the 15 minutes. Now we switched to the 1 minute. We are going to see the minor structure. Don't forget, these are the major structure, while these ones inside are the minor structure. So for every major structure using the higher time frame, you are going to see the minor structure using the smaller time frame. I'm still going to explain to you guys the how to combine your time frames when you are trying to analyze the market. I just have to explain to you guys the type of structure we have. We have the major structure. So inside every major structure, there are minor structure. So here you see something like this. So all these ones are the minor structure. Pardon my drawing, guys. I might not draw it well, but I will try to look for the diagram and send to you guys. Now, these are the minor structure. This is a single leg. These are the minor structure. So what happened here? We have the break of structure. How do you differentiate the minor structure from the major structure? You are going to see the size of the major structure is always bigger. The major structure is always bigger than the minor structure. As you can see, all these legs are now, they are still the minor structure. They are the minor structure. As you can see, they are smaller than this single leg because we are having something like this. So this is a single leg. This is a single leg. So here we are having another break of structure. Here we are having another break of structure. Then what happened here? It breaks this low and now a change of character. Now, what do we have next? A break of structure. Another break of structure. Another break of structure. Here is a change of character. Why? Because it was breaking the lows, break of structure to the downside, break of structure, but now it breaks the high. Now it's a change of character, but it was unable to break the second high to confirm the break of structure. Then what happened again? It breaks this structure again. Now this is another change of character. This is now the strong high. Then what happened again? It breaks it again. Another change of character. Now you can confirm it a break of structure after breaking this again. This is now the break of structure. Don't be confused. When it breaks the structure twice, you can confirm it a break of structure. But if it's only once, it's still a change of character. Initially, the price was breaking the structure to the downside, break of structure to the downside. This is the strong high. Another break of structure to the downside. This is strong high. This is strong high. Break of structure to the downside. This is strong high. Now it breaks this again. Now you can say this is a change of character. But instead of breaking the change of character to confirm break of structure, it breaks it to the downside again. Now this is another change of character. Instead of breaking this change of character to the downside to confirm break of structure, it breaks it to the upside again. This is another change of character. Until it breaks it twice, you cannot confirm the break of structure. What happened here? It breaks the change of character. Now you can confirm its break of structure. Now it's like the trend is now changing to an uptrend. So there is a strong low. And what happened again after the break of structure? It breaks this structure again. So this is another break of structure. So this is a strong low now. So what happened? It retested it and what? Okay, this is another break of structure here. This is another break of structure. So what happened here? It breaks it again. Now this is a change of character. This is strong high. Then it breaks it again. Now this confirmed break of structure. This is the strong high. This is another break of structure. This is a strong high. What happened again? This is another change of character. Now this is now a break of structure. This is the strong, this is a strong low now. So as you can see now, this is confirmed now a change of character rather. And this is the last high. So what do you expect to see here now? It is either this market comes here to break this low to confirm break of structure, or what? Or it comes here to break this high to confirm what? Another change of character. So this is the last market price. So this is what you are going to look out for. It is either the price comes here to break this high. If the market break this high, so this is confirm another change of character. But since you have a change of character here already, if the market comes here to break this low, now you are having a break of structure. So that is how you are going to keep marking your structure to know where you are heading to know either you are going to take a buy or you are going to take a sell. So don't forget, this video is just all about marking of structure for you to know very well how the break of structure and the change of character works. So in our next video, I'm going to proceed by explaining further things to look out for before you take a buy or before you take a sell. But for now, guys, since you've watched this video, backtest your charts and try to figure out the break of structure and the change of character. So see you in our next video, guys. Have a nice day. Bye.